Yo, what up, guys? I'm gonna walk us through how I was able to catch this volatility 15x trade that is currently sitting on $1,000 profit. Okay, how was I able to catch this trade? What did I see? So let's get to the chart. Let's get to the chart. So this is volatility 15 1x trade. First of all, we start from the higher time frame of daily. We start from the daily time frame, which is 24 hours. And then what do we notice? First of all, we have to see that this market has actually been in an uptrend. That's the number one thing we ought to see, that this market has actually been in an uptrend. And then it's been in an uptrend. We now spot out the various support and resistance level. We have this here, right? We have this here. We have the support there, and then we have this resistance somewhere around here. Somewhere around here. That's one of the things we see. And then we go down to the lower time frame. Let's go to 4 hour time frame, because what I normally do whenever I'm analyzing is top down analysis. Start from the higher time frame down to a lower time frame. So actually when I saw this market, it was around here, right? It had just tested the previous support when I spotted it. So I kept on monitoring it to see what would happen. I kept monitoring it. This lasted for like a day and a few hours. So I kept on monitoring what would happen. So waking up the next day, spotting this big bullish candle now, this very one, this reversal candle, that was the confidence I had that this market was actually going to take a buy, right? Then going to 1 hour time frame, what else did I see? I saw this as at yesterday, as at yesterday or the day before yesterday, I mean 2 days ago, we saw this trade go as high as 4,436. We saw it go as high as that for 4,436, and after that, what happened next? It started correcting. Then as it kept on correcting, I was able to also spot out this very giving yeah, I spotted out this very giving support level here, right? Let me show us the chart because I shared it with my community members that yesterday. Let's get the chart. The chart, here is it. This is the chart. As I did my Telegram community member, you can see it here. Look at it. You can see here is the call. I said V15X currently at a good buy entry point with stop loss below 14,300. Minimum lot is 0.2, and mind you, it's quite volatile. You can see the charts when I shared it out yesterday. You can see market was around 14,350 and thereabout. Even though it corrected a bit from this 14,350, went a bit. So I called the trade. You can see it here. I called it. That was when it was around. I think should be. We can see that clearly when we are using the 15 minutes time frame or the 5 minute time frame, as the case may be. So this was when the market was around here. That was when I gave out that call, and then from there it dropped down to 14,330, 14,331, and since then it picked up, right? And it's been buying, like it's been bullish. It ought to be bullish because the higher time frame already showed us that this market was oversold. Yeah, it already showed us that this market was oversold, judging from the fact that it had tested this very support level, break below that, but immediately got rejected. The rejection candle is this bullish candle we are seeing here that went as high as 14,347. So that was the bearish rejection candle, and then market reversed and it's been pushing up. So currently sitting on this very profit, and very soon I'll be closing out. I'll be closing out very soon. I'll be closing out. So that's just it. If you like this and you also want to participate in these trading signals that I share with my community members, make sure you join us on Telegram. Search for at solutionfx_HQ, or look at the comment section of this video, or maybe the video description depending on where you're watching this video from. Telegram, Twitter, anywhere, Instagram, TikTok, anywhere, Facebook, whichever platform. Just look around, you're gonna see the link to join our Telegram community if you're interested in maximizing profits trading synthetic indices. Even this morning, I've also given out another call. I've given out another call this morning. That's Volatility 10. Right, I've given out another call of Volatility 10. You can see that. Let's check it. Okay, even okay, it went up and came back to entry. It's currently sitting at the entry level. So this is a buy trade. We are currently on a buy. See, from the entry, it went as high as I think 61441.5, and then it reversed and came to entry. We are still on the buy position. We are still on the buy. Okay, so if you like this, make sure you join us for you to constantly participate in these signals we share daily. Ciao.